In this video, I'm going to talk about a Toyota brake upgrade. I'm not going to talk about how to install it because there's 650,000 videos on how to do such a thing. This is pretty much just a review on the product. This is a Callahan brake kit, which I got from Amazon. As you can see here, just reviewing the quality of the rotors. One big concern about aftermarket rotors is really bad casting. And right here I'm just looking at it to see if I'm going to return these or not. They actually look pretty darn good. They're keepers. I went ahead and ordered the drilled and slotted version of the rotors, mainly because of heat dissipation. I wanted to do anything I could to keep these rotors from warping, so it sounded like a good idea. The black coating honestly is kind of nonsense, since as soon as the brake pads touch the rotor it's going to grind it off. I'm also looking at the calipers. After reading some reviews about these calipers, one review said that the coating wasn't dry yet when they received them. Mine were dry, they weren't sticky, they were really clean, no issues. And the pads that come with this kit are ceramic, they're heat sintered. Also has a rubberized backing on them. One of the biggest reasons I did this brake upgrade is I just got tired of replacing rotors. They're the ones that are factory on the 3rd Gen 4Runner, just they could handle a 4Runner that wasn't loaded, you know, factory weight. But once you start adding a bunch of weight to them, they're just absolutely terrible. And in Arizona, driving up and down from the mountains, you use your brakes a lot, and it's pretty nerve-wracking to get that brake shutter from warped rotors. And on the driver's side here, I'd replace that rotor about 3 times buying AutoZone or O'Reilly's parts. And you know, you take them back and say they're warped and they don't want to even warrant the parts out, they just want to keep turning them. I just got tired of that. Installing was very easy. You pick one of the videos. You know, I picked Timmy the Toolman videos because they're pretty thorough. If you have a 3rd Gen, there's 2 Bibles you need to do repairs and replacements. Field Service Manual and Timmy the Toolman videos. Honestly, the toughest part of the whole thing was getting the brake line back on the caliper. That was a pain in the butt. But other than that, it was pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Trimming the dust guard is easy. You could probably do it with a pair of as seen on TV penny cutting scissors if you wanted to. I've had these on now for a couple weeks and I don't know why I didn't do this upgrade a long time ago. Next I get to do this. If you can see my redneck repair. These are the original CV drive shafts and the original boots. I have over 300,000 miles. It's a 1999 4Runner Highlander trim. I'm only the 2nd owner of it, so that's what I get to do next.